Hello everyone, this is Frank, Master of None. I'm going to do a multi-part series on a build, start to finish, for the Harbor Freight greenhouse, 12 by 10, SKU number 93358. Regularly runs about $679. Did happen to find a coupon. Be sure to use a coupon anytime you go to Harbor Freight for $4.99. So it made a perfect Mother's Day gift. And it's going to take quite a bit of time to build. As you can see, the weight on this is 97 kilograms. I recommend taking someone with you. The Harbor Freight people usually are real helpful in loading it. You might take a trailer. We were able to actually put it on top of the luggage rack on our Tahoe and strap it down with no problem. Of course, we took it easy on the road. Anyway, after watching several videos on YouTube of these being built over the years, some of the older videos are 6, 5, 4, 3 years ago. I can't find any that are recent, and there's been a lot of issues and modifications that people make to this greenhouse to make it better. And I think Harbor Freight's listened, because from what I've seen in some of the parts already, they've made an improvement. So this is going to be my updated video or updated version of the build of this. Bear with me. This is going to be basically the first time I really put anything on YouTube, and maybe I can start putting more stuff besides this. We're going to incorporate a lot of the community led improvements to this. One of those being we're going to put, instead of putting the metal frame down into the dirt, we're going to put down some pressure treated lumber and actually bolt it to it. With that being said, the next step's going to be unboxing everything and getting things sorted out, and just kind of figuring out what we need to do for the site to get ready. Since we're doing it with pressure treated lumber, all we're going to need to do is actually dig out some trenches to bury these, make sure they're level and square, maybe drive some rebar down in the corners to secure it. And then later on, we're actually going to add the 4x4 posts in each corner going up. That'll give us some internal structure to build shelves off of. And then we'll concrete those in and actually bolt those into the wooden frame before we actually put any flooring down. This box has already been opened. I've seen one video where a guy cussed about couldn't find the directions, and he actually opened the box upside down. So the top with the label is where you want to open it, and when you open it, the instructions are right on top. You'll basically have 3 boxes. I've already taken apart one box that had the base frame. This second box is very surprising, and there's all your parts, your hundreds and hundreds of pieces of parts. After reviewing the instructions already, the instructions are really hard to see as far as the diagrams, so I'll try to explode things on the computer and zoom in where I find things that are difficult, and hopefully it'll help you understand better what we're trying to do. I've already pulled out the screw parts, and the best thing to do with that is to get you one of these organizers, Home Depot, and you can see you can pull the stickers off the bags and put them on the buckets and keep all your little miscellaneous parts. Now this is real humorous, and I've actually seen people on YouTube do this. Here's the tools they send to assemble this thing. Don't use these. Come on, have some common sense. Go get you a bit for your drill, get you a socket or a box-in wrench, and it's going to make your life so much easier. Don't put this thing together with these tools, please. Come on. Well, I hope that kind of wraps things up. We'll go out to where our site's going to be and show what we're going to be doing, or where we're going to be putting it. Hi, Sissy and Pippi, little doggies. So here's the base frame. I kind of already built that. I will kind of disassemble it and go over some of the improvements they made. and mainly want to build that and figure out roughly where we're going to put it. We don't have too many obstructions. There is a tree that's going to kind of block some of the morning sun, which will be fine during the summer, and then the house is going to block some of the late evening sun, which will be fine for where we're at in Texas. Well, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you follow me along as we build this. I'll try to post and keep videos updated as frequently as possible, and maybe do some time lapse of the build, and maybe we'll have fun along the way. And like everybody says on YouTube, feel free to follow me, subscribe, click the like, share, and feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. Have a good day. Bye.